Hello, this is Mario. So today I'm going to show you how to complete your assignment. It looks like some of you still have trouble completing the assignment, so I'm going to go over again on how to do it. If you click here, this is my assignment under modules. Click the Desmos Name Assignment. It will take you right here. And if you click right here on Desmos, it will actually open the actual file. Follow my steps on how to do it. Don't copy my letters because that's not going to help you. But I created folders for each of them. Okay, so I created folder M for my variable for my letter M. Okay, there. Notice here I use the absolute value function. Okay, and I can close it out like this, and then I create a folder for R. These are the letters for R. Notice for this one I use the x equals -12 because it goes through the through -12 on the x. And then this one, look how I did the R. Okay, so that's how you do a letter R, letter A, and this is the frame. I just did that for fun. All right, some of you obviously still confused and don't get it. You have to make a copy, digital copy of your assignment. Click copy. And then you have the assignment here. Do a write-up answering the questions on the last page, which is right here. Who picked um, who picked out your name? And then you tell me who picked out your name. My mom picked my name because she liked the name. In my case, it was my dad, since that is also his name, but I am not Mario Vasquez Jr. Please don't call me Junior, just call me Mr. Vasquez. Okay. And then how they decided to on your name, and then what does your name mean? So each of you have a meaning of your name, so please tell me the meaning of your name. And then you don't have to do number 4, we can just cross that out. Okay. And then also answer these questions right here. And then give me the functions that makes your name. Which ones are linear, which ones are constant, which ones are quadratic, which ones are absolute value. All right, so let's get to the meat of solving. So whenever you're doing a straight line, y equals some number, let's say 4a or 4c. Or let me just do 4. Like that. Okay, so if you do a line like y equals to 4, you're going to get a horizontal line. I just put a note, I'll put a comment. I just put a comment. Put plus and put a note. That's a horizontal line. This is slider. You can move it up and down. So if you're doing the letter E, this one is super easy because you can just do, let's say you want to start here at -4. Then you want to do the x equals to some number, so -4 in this case, right? And you just click off, and then you can move it if you want to move it somewhere else. That's how you do it, okay? So if you want to do E, you want to start here. And then I need another one of this that goes to 0. So y equals 0. And then I have my lines right here. And I need one that goes to 2. So y equals to 2. And then I have my E right here. Now, of course, you want to put the restrictions on your domain, right? So you only want from -4 to 0. So you go right here. So let's do the vice versa space. And if you look on the assignment, it tells you right here that you use the brackets to restrict the domain. So you will type this: x is between -1 and +2. So to go to mine, I need to go from here, -4 to 0, the x value. So this will be space, curly braces, that'll be -4 to 0. -4 less than x less than 0. Close it. And there, now you see this restriction here. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one. Control, copy, and then I'll put it right here. Copy. Okay, and then this one here, I wanted to go from, look at the y now, from 0 to 4. I wanted to stop at 4, so I can just copy and put right here 0 to 4. However, because you're not doing the x, you're doing the y this time as a range instead of the domain, you change it to y, and now you have your letter E. Okay, you have your letter E right there. E for Elizabeth. Okay, you can also take out the grid if you like. See, but oh, this looks cool, but I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put the grid, and let me do, I think you guys, let me do A at different. So I can make a folder for this. So I'm gonna put a folder, E folder, and then you can just put this right here, right there, right there, right there, and then close the folder. Boom. That's how you do it. Okay. I'm gonna do letter A. So for A, you can do something like y equals absolute value of x, which is right here, minus h plus k. And I'll also do an A right here, just in case. The A don't really need to worry about. This is the standard form of an absolute value. You just add the sliders, click all. You want the A to be, to look like that, right? You want it to, let's put it right here, maybe somewhere there. I want to move a little bit to the right, maybe a little bit. Let's see, I may need to. Probably like that. What do you guys think? Is that good? Okay. So that's how would you do A. And I'll probably do a line through here to here. So that's going to be the same as this one, which was x equals 2, right? No, y equals 2. So I'm going to do y equals 2. But I wanted to go from here to here. So you look at this one, 2.75 and 0.84. 0.84. And then, what was the point? Let me see. 0.84, and then this one was 2.75. Okay. 2.75. There. So now it's from here to here. Now I wanted to go from let me see, I may have to move it down a little bit. So possibly there. You can always go back right here. I think I'm just gonna keep it there. But for here, I'm gonna stop for the range. I'm gonna stop at 0. So for the range, for this function, the red function, I'm gonna stop at 0. So the k value is 1.8. Okay. I'm sorry. The k value is 4.2. And then your h is 1.8. And then your a is negative 2.3. You can close the sliders. And then you want it to be from 4.2 to 0. So let's do that. 0 less than x less than 4.2. Oh, sorry. Let's see. So I'm going to go from 0 to 3.62. 0 to 3.62. 3.62. There. That's how you do EA. I'll probably do the E a little shorter, or is that I did a little too long? So I'll probably fix that. How would you do Y? Some of you have a Y, so this one I'll put a comment right here. Here, let me do it just for fun. So I'm guessing I can do it like this, like that, something like that. I want to make it this big. I guess you can do it this way, like that. Okay, so I know I need something like y equals mx plus b. I know it needs to be so somewhere here, maybe. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Let's see. I think you may have to go to like 20. Yeah, you can do that. And then we can do another line. Copy this equation. So this one will be negative 1.6 for that one. And then for this one, 9.2. Boom. and then all again, and then you can move it around. Body pattern, let me see. So I know I need a negative slope, so let me make this negative. Actually, no, this one can be positive. There, can do it like that. And maybe move this line a little bit, like 12 maybe. No, like 11, 10. Okay, that's good. Yeah, there we go. That's my Y. Like this. And then we make it the same color, blue, and then blue. So I want it to be from here to here. And I want the Y to stop right here. So for this line, let me put the color here. I'm going to stop right here. So stop at 2.3 and 2.3. No, we can do 3.75 and 4.8. 3.75 and 4.8. Yeah, there. But this one we can have the range stop at 0. Stop at 4. We can do from 0 to 4. Yeah, there we go. So that's how you do letter Y. All you need to do is copy this formula. So the 2.1 will go here, and the negative 7.8 will go here. And you can check those out. This one is for the letter Y, so you can make a folder. Letter Y. Oh, let me. There. I see the letter Y, letter E. Okay. I hope this video was helpful. You can also do so we went over the Y equals mx plus b. We did absolute value. You can also do quadratic. So Y equals a times x minus h square plus k. Boom, right? And then here you can move it. So if you guys need that one, you can use it as well. What else? Those are sliders, okay? You also can use a circle. X. This is advanced, okay? You don't need to, but you could if you want to. X squared plus Y squared equals to 9 or equals to 5. That's a circle there. How you move it, you have to do the general formula. So you have to do x minus h and then y minus k. And then this one you can just call it r, radius. Here, where you want to put it. That's cool, huh? Math is fun, you guys. You just have to like learn to love it. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. One more thing, once you're ready to share with me, it's in the other video, but in case you still didn't get it, I'm gonna recap how to share. So once you're ready to submit, this is EIO. You go ahead and share. Please don't submit it as an image, and don't print it either, and don't copy this. Okay, I don't want to see that. Instead, you embed. And you copy this. Okay. Then you go to your assignments. I'm going to view as a student. And you're going to let's see if it will let me submit. Okay, so I'm about to submit it here. This is not it. Okay, you submitted in the other one. So you go to upload. Let's see. You go to you can do it as a text entry. Text entry. And then what do you do now? Oh, right here. Going to you see the little cloud? Embed code. Submit. And boom. There it is. EIO. Okay. And then submit it. There. And then I can see it and I can see your equations. Don't just take a picture, okay? I need to be able to click on it and see it. Okay. Let me go over that step again. So you go here, you embed this frame. And then I'm gonna go to my courses. So once I'm there, I'm gonna go to my canvas right here. I'm gonna go to my should go to assignments or modules. All right, so here's the Desmos assignment. Don't forget to do the copy right here so you can do your own assignment, your own write-up. And don't forget to type your equations. Or I will write it by hand. It'll be a little easier. And then don't forget, here's the rubric. 12 points for using 4 functions. 9 points for using 3 functions. 6 points for using only 2 functions, like the linear equations. 3 points for using only 1 function. 0 points for no functions. And then make sure it's legible. View longer description. Did you answer the question? That's 3 points. And then quality of answers, 10 points. And then quality of the project itself. So once you're here, Once again, you go to this little cloud, you embed the code, Control V, and submit. And that's how you do it. Submit. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.